Hello and welcome to today's family program, and I am Dr. Kitcher, and like always, we welcome you to this wonderful time when you would hear things that will help you navigate through life with more confidence and making it very, very relevant for you. We have spoken about being relevant in life, and today we are continuing, and it will be something very, very important once more. So get ready, and before I introduce the topic for the day, I want you to take this minute and invite a friend to join this program so you don't watch it alone. Share with others, and also make sure you spread it on your social media, handles, and please take time to like this channel because we're looking forward to having many more people watching and enjoying what we have here. Also, this program is built one on the other. So most of the times, when we are talking like what we'll be talking about now, there are certain things that will complement it if you listen to the previous program. So I would encourage you to listen to the previous programs and make sure you get all the information. So when we talk about something and mention it in passing, you will not be left out. Half knowledge is very dangerous. Try to get everything that is there to know. And once again, all that you know is not all that there is to know. So there is more. Today we are going to talk about what will make you a winner in life. Being a winner in life. Being a winner in life. Yes, you can succeed at everything you do. These things that we'll be sharing will not be the only things that you need, but these are the essentials. What makes you a winner? So let's go. Well, the first thing is that you need to have a winning mindset, a mindset of possibility, a mindset of success, a mindset of I can do it, a mindset of it is possible. Once a task comes your way, it means that is doable. Once a question is posed to you, it means there should be an answer to it. You may not know it today, you may not know it right now, but then if you take time and research, you would come up with an answer. So don't give up at the first shot. Be a person who is success-minded, possibility-minded. For instance, there are questions someone can ask me and I do not have the answer. That does not frighten me to give up totally on that. I'll say, I don't know the answer, but give me a minute. I do research, I ask others, and later I can come back with knowledge of it and have not just asked for the answer from someone, but now I have an understanding of where the question was coming from and what the answer is. Not giving up will make you a winner in life. Get that success, I can do it, it's possible mentality as part of your DNA. It is very, very, very important. For you to also win in life, when you are setting goals or planning, plan according to what your strength can afford and make room for just going beyond. But if you plan too far from where your reality is, you may find yourself trying to reach out to something that you can never, ever get it. Then it becomes a burden. Life becomes boring, and you are not strengthened, encouraged, or given that, vim to be able to go on and do what you have to do. Please set goals that are reachable, that are tangible, that are attainable, that you can actually grasp. But then you are not limiting yourself only to what you can do, but you stretch it so you can go to learn further, so you can go higher. Don't let your goal be too far from your reality. It is very, very important. If you don't know how to drive and you plan to buy a car today and drive tomorrow, that will not work. You may have the money to buy 10 cars today, but if you don't know how to drive, you cannot drive that car tomorrow. So for you to plan buying the car and driving, you need to find out how long it takes for one to get what? A driver's license. Learn to drive, then be certified, then you drive. So for instance, if it is 3 months, if it is 6 months, whatever it is, 2 weeks. You have to make sure your plan is within that 2 weeks frame. And if you are making it less, then there is some expedited work, which means you do more work in order to shorten the time. You must be ready to face the reality. So let the things that you plan be within your reach. Also, in becoming a winner in life, you must have this give it your all attitude. Give everything you do in your all. Do not do things haphazardly. Do not do things halfway. Do not start things and procrastinate. Start with the end in mind and follow through the steps. Whether it rains or it shines, that should not stop you from working. When it rains, you find a canopy. When the sun is shining, you still stay under the canopy. It is very, very important that what you plan to do does not stop because you did not give it your all. We do not stretch ourselves to our limits. We do not stretch ourselves to our max. Sometimes we feel we will break. No, your elasticity is your area of freedom. If you can stretch up to 3 meters, within that 3-meter frame, you are in a very comfortable zone. It feels cool when you are halfway through. You don't feel the tension when you are maybe 3/4 past. But I can tell you, if you are made for the 3 meters, you get to that 3 meters and you will still be fine. Usually, things go beyond even the recommended stage. So if it is 3 meters, you may be able to go up to 3¼ or something. Set goals within the maximum of your reach. Whatever you are doing, give it your all. Give it your all. Give attention to it. Fall in love with what you are doing. That is how you can get to give attention to it. Fall in love with it. Research more into it. Find the importance of it. Place it in the priority area, and that will cause you to give it your all. Self-motivation is not easy. But when you understand the value of things, the importance of things, and the need for things, you will begin to give it your all, and you will be easily motivated. I have a reason for everything that I do. Speaking to you right now, I could sit in my home. What I'm telling you, I know. I've researched into it. It's benefiting me in my life. Why do I waste my time? This is not time wasting. I am investing into you, because when I share what I have with you, which is good, and you take it and you use it, we have become two people who are able to ease the burdens on ourselves and, of course, on others. There are many more people who are struggling today because they do not know what they require in order for them to be winning in all aspects of their life. You have to also be ready to rise up from every fall, to get ready to go again when you fail. Do not stay at the station of failure. Migrate from the station of failure onto the place of success. When you fail, it is a sign that there is still opportunity to get it done. It is only when it is done that then it's over, finished. Then you can look for the new thing. But once it is not done, it did not succeed, you go back, you watch, where did you fail? What happened? Why did you end up where you were? How did it happen that you did not finish it? Then you can come back and see, well, I omitted A and B and C. You put it together and you can move now to step E. Meanwhile, you still have F, G, and H. Until you reach the destination, do not stop along the way in the journey. So do not stay in the place of failure. Recover from failure. Failure is like sickness. You need to be well of it. And when you are well of failure, that means you begin to succeed. So don't stop at where you failed. Where you failed shows that you can take an inventory and make things work in a better way. Also, you have to respect yourself respect other people, respect nature, give respect to anything and everything in your vicinity. I'm speaking to you wearing the glasses that helps me to see clearly. If I disregard my reading glasses, I will be struggling to see. I will be struggling with words that I know, but then I will not be able to put it together. If I disregard my ears and I choke it with stuff, I'm not going to be able to hear when people are giving me information. And I don't have any demand in my ears. So please give value to the things that are within your proximity. Let them mean the whole world to you. It is very, very, very important. The attitude or spirit of excellence should be part of your signature. Whatever you do, finish it with excellence. How do you finish with excellence? Start with excellence. Move in excellence. And then you finish in excellence. You must look for doing things at your topmost ability, your highest level. When you do things in that way, you give excellent results. Speak to the best of your knowledge and your understanding. Don't use too much borrowed words. They will confuse you. The vocabularies which are yours and they come, habitually, develop them, put them together, and make communication with it. Succeeding means you are putting the right ingredients together to produce what is expected. You have to be somebody who is not sitting in one place, but you are advancing. Make some advancement. Step up, step forward, step out. Reach out. Don't be stuck. Remove the spring and shoot out. We need to really get to that place where we are advancing. Progress. This is today's family program, and I'm Dr. Kitcher. If you just joined the program, I would like you to take this moment. I've said it before, but I'm just repeating it right now. Invite a friend to watch this with you. Share this on your WhatsApp, Instagram, social media handles, and let others also join this program. We are here weekly, and we talk about things that matter and are important for your life. Please, today, we are talking about what will make you a winner in life. And we've touched on so many important things. But in conclusion, I would like you to know, like I said in the beginning, to be a winner in life, you must have the winning mindset. But finally, don't let winning be the reason why you want to do things that you are doing. Let the importance of what you are doing be the reason, and the winning to be what makes you get there. Please do not make winning your end product. Make the reason for winning the end product, and you will easily emerge as a winner. So we see you again next week. This has been your favorite program, Today's Family, and I'm Dr. Kitcher. See you next week, this time. Bye-bye.